Alright, hey guys, today we're going to do a whole retour of the Brook Street Railroad Crossing in Sugarland, Texas, which is a part of the UP Glidden sub because I just said the wrong names of a few parts. No, not this crossing. I'll do this crossing later. But it's over here, yeah. Okay, so we're going to do a virtual retour of the Brook Street Railroad Crossing because I overlooked some of the parts and I gave the wrong name to some. So yeah, so let's first start off with the southern signal. So first of all, we have, of course, a wayside horn because Sugarland is a quiet zone, and also that explains why fireworks are not allowed in Sugarland. I mean, yeah. So it's a city that wants no disturbance. Anyways, a look at the southern signal. So over here we have an MI single-sided base, and over here we have the WCH Model 10 gate mechanism with a newer counterweight and an older cast iron counterweight. The gate has vertical striping, and the gate lights have been replaced by the Aura LEDs. There aren't any incandescent bulbs on the gate anymore. There are now Aura LEDs. So yeah. Now for the front lights, they're facing to the left because this is a whole street. So anyways, over here we have a pair of GE pixelated look LEDs, which are retrofitted into a SafeTran 12 by 24 inch frames, and these were installed in 2020. And the side lights.
Oh my God!
The side lights are WCH second gen LEDs. No, not second gen LEDs. They're GE LEDs. They're GE LEDs retrofitted into Harman 12 by 24 inch light frames. This crossing used to have the older Harman LEDs or GE LEDs. Harman is absolved in GE nowadays. So over here we have a crossbuck, a true track sign, and over here we have a WCH Type 1.5 second generation. So what else am I missing? So yeah, that's that for the front. So on the back of the crossing, we have another pair of GE pixelated look LEDs retrofitted into a SafeTran 12 by 24 inch frames. And yeah, and also the flashing X of the wayside horn. So that's the back view of the crossing. Older cast iron counterweight. Now let's go to the northern signal. So over here we have a WCH single-sided base, and over here we have I think a Type 4 WCH gate mechanism, the common ones. Although WCH makes super newer ones, but they aren't on their site. And over here we have another wayside horn, and there's the relay case for the wayside horn, by the way. And of course this has the newer counterweights. Oh, by the way, there's a dot tag information for both of these crossings,
Yeah,
as you can see.
yeah.
So, the gate has a vertical striping. They replaced for some reason they replaced the Aura LEDs on these with the Rico LEDs. They like reused the older gate. It had both the vertical striping and the older striping. It has the vertical striping and the older striping on it, but this satellite image is a little older, so it shows the parts that were there, but not in real time. So here we have WCH second gen LEDs, and they're retrofitted into WCH 12 by 24 inch frames, the older ones. So, and over here we have a satellite. All the same thing here. The WCH second gen LEDs retrofitted into a WCH 12 by 24 inch frames. Crossbuck and the true track sign. And over here we have a WCH Type 3 Type 3 second gen E-bell. What else? Okay, so on the back of the crossing, by the back view of the crossing, we have another pair of WCH second gen LEDs, which are retrofitted into WCH 12 by 24 inch frames. Wait a minute, is that? Wait a minute. I thought that was a WCH. Wait, let me try getting a little closer. Oh, it's WCH. From far, it kind of looked like a safe trend one. Oh well. So eastbound towards crossing Pecan Grove, Texas, Richmond, Texas, and Rosenberg, Texas, and ending at San Antonio. Westbound to crossing passing Stafford, Texas, Houston, Texas, and then ending some point in Houston itself. So, and here's the relay case, owned by, wait, what? Yeah, it's right there. It's owned by UPVR, and the milepost is 24.56. And there's the dot. So yeah guys, that's the tour of the virtual tour of the Brook Street Railroad Crossing in Sugarland, Texas, owned by UP. And so yeah, bye.